Good afternoon, friends. Today we'll see the product registration flow for tablet formulation at TMDA. TMDA is the regulatory authority for Tanzania. Now we'll see the stages of product registration at TMDA. There are 8 stages in the product registration. First stage, pre-submission stage, then dossier submission, screening phase, it is also called as validation phase, technical evaluation, GMP inspection, query handling, decision and registration, post registration obligation. These are the 8 stages of product registration. Now we'll see the first stage of product registration. It is called as pre-submission stage. First of all, we have to check the TMDA guideline for the fee structure. What is the fees we need to pay for that particular product. Then we have to see the dossier format, in which format we have to submit the dossier. Generally nowadays all the regulatory authorities are asking CTD format with module 1 to 5. Then after that, suppose the applicant is not in Tanzania, then that applicant should appoint a local agent. Now we'll see the second stage of product registration. It is a dossier submission stage. We have to submit the dossier in CTD format, and first of all we have to fill the application form. Application form is issued by the TMDA with format number TMDA/RG/003. This is the application format number. Okay. Then we have to compile the dossier in CTD format having module 1 to 5. Also we have to submit the sample, usually 3 commercial or conformance sample with COA we need to submit to TMDA. Then we have to also submit mock-up labels and package insert and leaflet. We have to submit GMP certificate of manufacturer, then manufacturing license, then free sale certificate from the country of origin. Then we have to also submit CPP. The meaning of CPP is certificate of pharmaceutical product, and also we have to submit covering letter and payment proof. If we are compiling all these documents, we can say that dossier is complete. After submission of dossier, then TMDA will screen the dossier. It is also called as validation phase. TMDA screen the dossier to confirm completeness of dossier, acceptable format, required document and fees paid. Completeness means whatever the list they have provided, all the documents are present or not, they will check. Then acceptable format, as we said in the previous section, dossier should be in CTD format. They will ensure that whether it is in CTD format or not. Then we have to also submit the proof of fees paid. If all the mandatory requirements are compliant, it moves to the evaluation phase. If not, a screening query is issued to applicant. Now we'll see the technical evaluation. The first stage of technical evaluation is pharmaceutical quality assessment. In this, module 3 is reviewed for formulation, specifications, manufacturing process, stability data. All the things are reviewed. Then module 4 and 5 are evaluated for clinical and non-clinical assessment of new molecules or new combinations. Then they will review the bioequivalence study required for the generics under the bio waiver or B category. Then next stage is GMP inspection. If the manufacturing site is not on TMDA's approved list or WHO listed, a GMP inspection may be required. Suppose if the site is not listed in the TMDA's website, then manufacturer to pay separate GMP inspection fees. After this, The query handling stage will come. TMDA may raise the technical or administrative queries during evaluation. After the evaluation, those queries will be issued in the portal, and that notification will go to applicant. Then applicant must respond within 90 calendar days. It's a mandatory time frame decided by TMDA. And suppose if it is a delay in response may lead to application closure or rejection. After query, the next stage is decision and registration. If dossier is satisfactory, TMDA will issue marketing authorization number. It is also called as registration number, and TMDA will issue the registration certificate to the applicant, and the validity of registration certificate is 5 years. Product is listed in the TMDA registered product database. Means we can check that product registration status in the TMDA portal. After the product registration, the post registration obligation stage will come. Suppose if we are doing any change in the process or in method, or we are changing the quality, we are changing the labeling, or we are changing the packaging, we should fill the variation and it will be notified to TMDA. Also, we have to comply the all the basic requirement of pharmacovigilance. Nowadays, all the regulatory authorities are asking for the pharmacovigilance compliance, and TMDA is very good and stringent in pharmacovigilance compliance. Means we have to report adverse drug reaction as per the PV guideline. Then renewal will come after submission of this product, and the certificate is issued. It will be valid for 5 years, and the renewal should be submitted at least 30 days before expiry of the product certification. So these are the 8 mandatory stages of product registration at TMDA. If you are following all the stages as per the guideline, definitely we will get a product registration within time. So friends, we have to follow the guideline and we have to submit the dossiers as per the guideline. Okay, thank you very much. Suppose if you have any query, please comment to me. Thank you.